Hey everyone! Today I have this ridiculous idea to wear 3D printed shoes at a track meet. Yes, these ones. Okay, so these were printed on an Ender 3, actually on a school printer in Sunlu flexible filament. Turns out, the way I designed these shoes, they have a very thin sole, and as a result, they're extremely flexible on the bottom, and I can feel almost everything. They also happen to have like almost no traction. They also don't feel very durable, and I figured they'd break during the 600-meter run, and not even survive the entire thing.
Anyway, let's go to the meet and get people's impressions on them, as I'm curious to see what they think.
Oh my gosh. Look at the dread on the bottom too. That's already...
They were supposed to be for extra padding the tread, but...
I ain't gonna try to put these on. Holy, they're so light.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a picture of Welch with these on.
Those 3D printed? Oh,
Yeah.
3D printed them. That's cool. Why are they so squishy? How are they squishy?
They're TPU.
Huh. Ben, are you gonna run these?
He might, and then I will after him if he does.
If he does in the mile.
Will it hold up? That's crazy.
Maybe. Yeah, assuming they hold up for Quentin's race, then I'll do it in the mile.
Today?
Print them and just make them like
You're gonna win the mile in 3D. What?
They're 10 and a half, or 9 to 10 and a half.
Yeah, you gotta stay.
They're gonna be hard to
You
get.
gotta put your 2 fingers back and pull. Okay, so it's flexible enough for me to
Yeah,
do that? You
it's
just gotta
flex.
usually step on it. Yeah, that just works like that. You should get to the front. What do you want me to do?
It's like get shoes.
The same thing for the mile.
I would. You see the arch support in those things?
There's no support. There's no support. Someone's gonna be rolling their ankles.
What's wrong with that?
They're so flat. They're like cross. No, wait, those. Yeah, they're squishy.
Why are they so wide? Printed shoes?
And then wear them in your race.
Just say no. When you put them on, it's a.
Wear them in my race?
Yeah.
If I run with these in the 4, he'll run it in the mile.
Are they like to stretch you into it?
Yeah, they are.
Dude.
That'd be so uncomfortable to run.
The thing is, you gotta step on it. You gotta step on the back and then put your fingers in between
They
and pull.
might not fit.
Yeah, that's a tight squeeze.
Yeah, you gotta put your fingers in there and
It's
pull.
a tight squeeze with the right size shoe.
I think you have to sit down and do it. That's why I have
Yeah, I don't think I'm getting those off, but those are sweet. Did you print these, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are sweet.
The thing is, I want to run in them, but I don't want to roll my ankle, bro.
You gonna run?
Hey, I'm taking
What
pictures
did you run with
the
the 400?
Yeah.
And then you do a mile in those things?
If he
Ben?
does it, yeah.
Size are they?
And he's fast in the mile, so they're 9.5. Those will like fit me
Oh,
perfectly.
dude. I would pay to watch you run around in those things.
It's a pain to get on, by the way.
You just watch a bright red shoes slide on the track.
Bro, if you cook, if you got first and cook, bro,
You get passed by the kid in
gotta
3D
step on the
printed
back.
shoes.
your foot, you gotta push your foot in more. Yeah, but
Yeah.
push. There you go, you got it.
That plastic is not very strong.
Alright, let's get a lapping number.
Oh my gosh, it feels like I'm wearing nothing. It feels like I'm wearing nothing.
Got it.
It's the weirdest thing.
They held up. What's the bottom look like? They actually look pretty good. Okay, so there was definitely some curiosity with these shoes, which this clip goes to show very well. Also, by this time, I had decided I was definitely going to run the 1600-meter run in these shoes.
Gosh!
I saw that. That was great. Yeah.
Sucked. How'd the shoes hold up?
I haven't ran in them yet.
Oh, I thought you were gonna run in them.
No, I'm gonna run in them.
Oh, okay.
I know, we're like, is he gonna catch him? Is he gonna catch him? Is he gonna got him?
That's not coming off unless it breaks.
Bro, there ain't no way I could even get that on.
Yeah, I'm struggling to get it on. I need like a... I need something.
It's breaking.
Yeah, I can see.
The seams, man.
There we go. Let's go.
I had to put my phone. Bro, it's so soft, but you can feel it. There's like no support.
They're already split. Like, look at that.
You're so screwed.
They feel literally like wearing nothing. And they're like, it limits me.
Beautiful now.
What the heck?
Yeah. See what Ben's racing at? Yeah. How easy will they rip?
They're already ripping.
Yeah. No way.
Yeah, this is. I'm gonna be running here for half of this thing.
Oh, yeah.
You're like lead?
We're just gonna have half the shoe in
They're so light though.
That is, did you like 3D print your shoes?
I'm gonna be random. I'll probably come off halfway through.
You're gonna run in them?
Okay, so after all this time, it was nearly time to actually run in these shoes. And I was honestly starting to regret my decision a little, as they weren't necessarily feeling great on my feet. But hey, I still did it.
I'm scared.
My ball. Boy, come on, go on. Don't forget someone. Don't forget someone.
Wow, look! It's a penny! Oh no, hey, that's really cool. Let's go, man. Really close to the little shoes. That's it. This is good! This is good! I don't even see a hole.
Okay, so that was the mile in 3D printed shoes. For those curious, I ended up getting a time of 5 minutes and 1 second and got third in that event. Overall, it felt pretty interesting. It was definitely harder because I didn't really have traction, Granted, I do think these shoes did ruin my running form a little bit, but there was also some curiosity after the race, so here is some of those clips.
I want to see those shoes.
Did they give you the
They didn't break.
I didn't get it. They started the brand ahead of me were asking me.
I thought they'd break.
They're durable. Are
Yeah.
the bottoms working now?
No, that's just my foot. I can't like not bend my foot. Yeah, they're not.
They made it? They made it?
Yeah, they did. Did it back into 1 mile and then I so little like on the sides right there.
How are your feet,
little
man? How's the
It
feet?
lasted.
They lasted?
Yeah, without too much. Just slight tears.
Do your feet hurt?
And my feet aren't. It was just tiring because I had no friction.
There's no traction.
Yeah, traction. I mean.
Yeah. Next time, wear your spikes, man.
Yeah, this bike's out.
What's up? How was it? How was it?
They worked.
Really?
Are those 3D printed?
Yes.
Please take one off and let me look at it, please. I swear.
They're kind of a pain to get off.
That's what I was saying.
I thought they would break midway through, but they didn't.
Did you do this?
Yeah.
That's impressive. That is impressive. That's
Thanks.
I give you mega props to that. I had to know. Kanye West can make weird shoes, you can do.
That's it. We do that for Hayes. Why did you try to sell them to him?
Okay, this one is like not broken at all.
Yeah. I think that one was. I think that was the second one. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it was. You're at this one. Ow, this hurts to put on my hand. I don't know how you had that on your foot.
They held up for a mile. They did their job. So yeah, that was definitely an interesting experiment, and hopefully I'll do more like that. Seems how they didn't actually break, maybe I should wear them until they actually do. That's another experiment with these 3D printed shoes. I don't really know. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And if you're interested in the blend files for these, or the STL files, they will both be on my website when I get that actually up and running. Anyways, I'll see you later, and bye.
Yeah, I've talked to them about that. Ben's very technical. He's a pretty big nerd. That's the easiest way to put it. Let's be honest here. That's the easiest way to put it. Yeah. I mean, name literally meaning a pair of shoes he 3D printed. Did we get like second, first, third? Still like some high. Yeah, that's like it's not.